Hello guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to crop an image into a shape in Canva. Now this can be your personal image or any other image that you're currently working on. So if you're working on your personal image, you'll be able to find it under the dashboard under uploads. And as you can see, I have an image here that I've uploaded. So let me go ahead and use this image. I'm going to drag it onto the Canva here. And then you want to go to elements. Now once you're inside element, guys, just simply go ahead and type frames, and you will have a bunch of different frames that you can choose from. You can choose frames, you can choose graphics, you can choose pictures, whichever you want. But the best option that you want to use if you're working with your images is to select frames, right? So go ahead and see all here, and you will have a bunch of different shapes that you can choose from. As you can see, there are quite a lot of shapes that you can choose from. So pretty amazing stuff here, right? Quite a lot of shapes that you can choose from. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to simply go ahead and choose anyone. So let me choose this one, for example, and I'm going to simply drag it onto the Canva here. Now I'm going to resize this a bit. And then you want to take your image and you want to drag it onto this frame here. And as you can see here, I've dragged it into the frame, and have a look at that. My image is inside this frame, and this is looking like a puzzle piece, right? So pretty nice stuff there. And if you like to move your image into the puzzle, all you have to do is just simply double click on it, and you will be able to see how your image is behind it. So you can simply move it around how you like, up and down, side to side, whichever you like, and you will be able to adjust it the way you want. And once you're satisfied, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click done, and that's all there is to it. Now as you see, there are quite a lot more different shapes that you can utilize, right? So for example, I will choose, and let me go ahead and do another one. So let's choose, for example, this one here, and I'm going to simply go to photos, and I will just simply go ahead and choose a different photo here. So let me go ahead and choose this, for example, drag it, and as you can see, it falls right in place within the frame. So, and as I said, you can adjust this the way you want, up to you. And once you're done, click done. And that's it, guys. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.